I'm tall, I'm tan, I'm young, I'm handsome. I'm coming to bring back the wee ones. So hush, my sweet condor, let me win this one, please. So try, attack me, but I want protection. I don't feel that pecking, so save your objections. Hush now, condor, let me in the final three. Oh no! Next! I've got problems with condors. Problems with condors. Why, oh why am I not at home? I ponder. Trust me, oh trust me. I'm your best friend, and I'll never eat eggs again. Oh, licorice! Ooh!
Good news! You could have another chance later. But first...
I'm a mom now, so don't be giving me flack. 'Cause my first chick just hatched out of his yolk sack. So hush, my sweet. Let me into the final three. Cody Jr.! No! Not Nancy Heather!
Heather?
How I really hate these birdies, and I wanna live to see my 30s. These feather jerks, they're bringing me strife. And Cody too, I'm not your wife. For the last time, get a life. Yes! Thanks, my sweet condor. Now I'm in the final three.